Alright guys, so today's day one of me recording for doing a day in a life. So I'll be taking you guys through my day today, what I'm going to be doing. Today I did wake up late, it is 7:30, but you know, we're not late, so it is what it is. We're not late for the market, I'm going to start trading at 8 anyway. So I'm going to get ready, show you guys what I do in my day, walk through it, start to finish. Ideally is what I'll try to do during the week, as consistent as I can. But obviously every day it still goes to plan. But yeah, today I've got all into the I'll be walking you through guys typical day in the life, how I do in the morning, what I do to trade, then my routine. And yeah, I'll be trying my best to clip everything to show you guys what I do and something I can help myself stay consistent and accountable for. So we're taking you guys to the journey, what I'm gonna do. Obviously I'm not used to this being on camera, but I'm gonna have to learn, you learn anyway regardless in life. So hopefully it goes smoothly. Hopefully I'm able to get everything that I need to get everything clipped. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. It's a little snippet of what I try to do to improve every day. And yeah, let's get started. Let's get ready because I don't want to be too late for my session starting at 8 a.m. to trade. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And it was good. I'm going to keep doing it, but this is terrible. I'm going to stop. There's no point wasting your time. Right, just as a snippet, I might show you guys on my laptop if I film it from that angle, but I've already, like, before I start trading, marking my zones. So you might not be able to see it clearly here, but I've marked my previous day high, previous day low, and then I've got my range between 12 and 7 a.m. So I've already marked them zones there. So coming to 8 a.m., I want to see our reaction then, but while I've got this marked, I'm able to just wait for that to be hit, set my alerts. I'm not sitting there watching constantly. So during that time, I'll probably make something to eat, go get something to eat, or just doom scroll. But I should probably do something more productive between my trades, which is what I'm planning to do. Because if I look back at this, if I'm just waking up in the morning, doom scrolling, and then just doing something for 5 minutes, it's gonna make me think about myself, my choice I'm making. So I'm gonna probably try to do something better today as I trade. But now that I've marked that, it only takes me 2 seconds. I'm gonna probably get ready, go downstairs, brush my teeth, shower, wash my face, and then get changed, and then continue with the day. I've got a few things I need to do today, actually, in terms of like chores, like I need to hang up my clothes, wash my work clothes, and then go get food, and then yeah, that's it to be honest, and then go to the gym. But yeah, I'll come back probably at my desk around 8:30 if anything happens, because in the meantime I'll go get food at Greg's. I'm a bit picky my breakfast these days, so yeah. Right, so I've showered and brushed my teeth, washed my face. It's now 7:47. So plan now is probably go downstairs, try to drink a pint of water. That's one of the main things I'm gonna do is get healthier. So that's what drinking water. I used to start my day off with a Red Bull. So yeah, it's not ideal. I'm ready at my desk right now, so I'm gonna go downstairs get some water, probably have a piece of fruit, and then set the charts and trade. And then yeah, maybe halfway through if I enter early, or if I'm like halfway through, there's no service came yet, I might jump into Greg's quickly, then come back, eat, then finish the rest of my session, and then after that I'll plan to go to the gym. I'll see if any of the guys gonna come to the gym with me. They'll probably still be sleeping because they were drinking like crazy last night. But yeah, just the plan right now is to get some water, trade, and then go to the gym. And then I'm probably gonna try to go take a walk. So I want to get like more steps in a day, because I'm just trying to keep my progress going with the gym. You know, I've been doing well, happy with my physique, but you know, it's never enough. So yeah, gonna get trading, gonna get something to eat quickly, and yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. Right, so yeah, record. Right, so we swept our Asia range, and I'm looking to get a reaction to the back down to the downside. Right now we're pushing up really high. On the 1 hour as well, there's a lot of gaps that we're coming approaching. There's going to be this gap here and this gap right here. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait. You don't really need to rush, but I'm going to wait to see what happens. Obviously, we've got our sweep of Asia high. We're approaching previous day, and I anticipate we'll take our previous day high. And after taking our previous day high, I'll be looking to trade. I'm still waiting. I'm ready for my confirmation back to the downside, see how we react. But prices reacted nicely off these gaps right now to continue higher.
I don't really trade a continuation model. I'd rather trade my reversal model. That's the one that's really worked for me and my personality. So I'm going to keep doing what works for me. But yeah, right now it is only 20 to 9. So we're going to wait. We're still kind of early. We'll see what happens on the 5 minute time frame. Hope we get an entry. If you don't like anything after 9, after like 10, I'm not going to be looking to trade as much. But hopefully something does come that's decent and it works today. But trading, it's never going to be a guarantee. It's always just, it's a risk that you take, willing to try and make some money. But it's been going well so far. Like last week I had a flawless week, so we'll continue it this week, and it's on camera as well, so it'll look better. But yeah, see what happens. We're in no rush, to be honest, but hopefully a good setup does come and we can take it and we can execute properly. So we've now taken previous day highs here, so we made equals. Yep. So it doesn't seem like it wants to keep pushing up, so I've got my confirmation now. Wait for my confirmation to enter. Once I'm entered the trade, I'll come back and show you what I've done and how it goes and how it plays out and how I'll continue the rest of my day. Right, so I got my entry confirmation. It's about 10 to 9 now. So I'm in my trade. I want to see how it goes. Obviously, in a bit of drawdown right now. So see how it goes. Account is at break even, which is good. We brought it back from like down 3%. So we'll see how this goes. I'm happy with this trade. We set the Asia. I've got my inverse gap here. Stops slightly above previous day highs. So if we're wrong, we're wrong. I'll come back. Probably have to take about an hour or two, or like 40 minutes, depends. Come back, see win or loss, but hopefully we hit. End of the day, I follow the model, follow the plan, so don't really mind it. And yeah, I'll be posted up with you to show you guys the result. Probably show you guys about in an hour when I come back to the trade, see what it's at, and we'll see what goes on. Right, so in the meantime, while that trade is running, probably going to go do some chores quickly. So I'm going to hang up my clothes outside because it's sunny, wash some other clothes, and then probably eat like 3 boiled eggs and go to the gym and then get a workout in. Just so I'm not sitting there micromanaging. I was going to go get a Greggs, but I feel like I'll make me feel a bit sick before the gym. And every time I get like a takeaway for like breakfast, like eat out food, I feel like shit after anyway. So I'm going to try to eat something in the gaff. And then yeah, continuing the day, see how it goes. Hopefully trade hits. Bit embarrassing, first video we lose the first trade, but it happens. You can only do what you can. Trading especially, it's not guaranteed. You're backing yourself to make it, so hopefully we do come out green today or break even. But regardless, I'm happy. I waited, done my analysis, so we'll take it out on the chin if we lose. Not too much planned today. Don't know if me and the guys are going to go to the gym. They're probably still snoozing after a World Cup match last night, but yeah, just got on with it, man. Right, so I put my wash in, and it's about 50 minutes into the trade, 10 minutes in. We're up about 250, if you can see that. But obviously it's still quite early. We can't really judge anything right now. Obviously need to be patient, not react. Like right now it's going back down slightly. But I've got my targets, got my alerts. So I'm going to try to let that do its thing. Washing's out, washing going in right now. And then I might just head to the gym by myself today, because I don't know if I want to really wait around. So yeah, next clip maybe me going to the gym. One thing I'm going to try to stop doing is napping during the day, because it just fucks up my sleep. But today I went to sleep at like 2 a.m. and my alarm was off at 6:45 and I got up at 7:30 and it was just spamming. So I'm just thinking to myself, try to stay up. So then going to sleep, you can obviously be more consistent with my sleep, because sleep is a big thing. Because sometimes I'm missing setups. Like last week I missed like 2. But ended up the one that I hit, thank God I hit, because it set me up for the week and I was fine. So hopefully I don't fall asleep and nap and I go straight to the gym, get a banana in me, and then hit straight there. So yeah, probably go to the gym at at 10. I'll phone the guys, see if they're up, and we'll go at 10. Right, can't lie, I'm in the midst of getting changed and the trade is running smoothly. We're up about 900 now, it's saying like 850. So right now I'm happy enough to go break even. So on the day we would lose nothing, because I don't want to keep my risk on. It's some Monday. Usually I would hold for like 1k then break even, but I'm at 800. I'm happy with how the trade is going right now, so I'd rather just keep my capital, you know, risk is off, so risk free now. We're up about 800, so if we hit break even, I'll also show the camera again, and if we hit TP, I'll get the camera back out, but we're floating nicely. Great trade. We've only been in this for about 30 minutes or so, so hopefully we hit take profit and start the week strong. But yeah, happy days, happy days. Right, we're back. It's now 10. And remember when I said I want to stop napping like during the day? I can't lie. I was sat in bed for a bit while the trade was running, and we hit TP for $2,026. This is the trade here. Pitch perfect, all lines of ass. But yeah, starting off Monday, 2% gain on the eval. So that's up 2% on the 100k. So come on, good start to the week. You've also seen the trade. I'll go on my laptop in a few seconds and I'll show you guys the trade I took. And yeah, I don't really see much point giving like a trade breakdown because it's not really going to be in depth because you need context, etc., and how to trade because you can't just trade everything you see. So yeah, we can actually go to the gym. Trading's done for the day. Let me check how long I was on that for. I think it was like less than an hour and a half, which is good. I remember like the trade was floating around like 1k, and then it came all the way back to 500. I was like, are you being dead ass? But yeah, that trade only took an hour and 15 actually. So happy days, happy days. Right, so the trade's here now. You can see live. So we entered just at this point here on our confirmation, and then we ran for a clean 1 to 2. Ideally, what I would like to do is target like Asia's range to the bottom here, which would be like a 1 to almost 1 to 5, which I'm really sure it's gonna hit. But right now I'm gonna just do my model for 1 to 2, take each day as it comes. Obviously it's great to start the week off strong and a win. I'm very happy. I was patient, I waited, I trusted it. Clean, just as you like. And obviously that number there is what we're looking for every single day. But yeah, there's not much on now. So I've done my trading, done my washing, done everything. I just need to go to the gym now and then get something proper for me to eat. And then yeah, that's all for the morning session for my work. I've not got work until the weekend this week, which is good, which lets me trade all morning this full week. So I'll be able to see London pretty much up until Friday. I think on Thursday actually I've got something for work at 9:30. So if I can't get my entry, which presumably I probably won't, I won't be trading on Thursday. But Tuesday I'm trading, Wednesday I'm trading, and then Friday I will probably skip because there's a lot of orange folders and I don't want to like lose to something that I've got no control of because I can't really see the news events. So yeah, pretty much every single day except for Thursday and Friday. So yeah, I've got 3 trading days this week. At least one of them hit. Regardless if I take 2 losses for the rest of this week, I win break even, so I won't mind it. If I hit another win, about 4% of the week, and I'll probably stop. If I hit another break even and I win, I'll be stop 4%, which is going to be the most realistic and ideal case for us. So yeah, let me actually get to the gym now before I keep putting it off and continue my day. This is done. I'm going to journal this and then yeah, I'll catch you when I'm going to the gym. Right, so start with the procrastination. Trade hit and I journaled my trade. So I journaled that. Obviously we hit profit today, which is great. I'm really happy. I'm gonna go to the gym now to hit some buys and back and tricep. And then after that, probably come home, edit this video, which is gonna be mind games because I've never done anything like that in my life properly. So I'm gonna come back, edit, and then probably chill out, and then I'm gonna try going a walk like around 6 p.m. and then after that come home, eat dinner, and then read my Bible, play Rocket League, try and get diamond, and then yeah, that should be the day done. But overall I'm really happy so far. Obviously that trade winnings boosted up the middle a little bit, which is great, and then yeah, we'll keep taking it slowly. Today's been hard, not gonna lie. Like, this is the bare minimum. It's like doing this consistently for a long period of time, which I think is hard. Like,
getting up early, being patient, not reacting. Like, it seems easy when it's done, but in the moment, like, doing that for like 8 months when it actually matters, 9 months, a year, it's hard because, like, this is the spells I'll be having, you know? Like, one day I'm locked in, then tomorrow I might end up fucking it up, but because I'm recording myself, there's going to be no room for error. I'm going to phone Aaron and see if he's going to come to the gym, so I can start yapping to you, man, and yeah, we'll head over. Right, so I've arrived at the gym, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I've got the balls to sit there and record myself in the gym, so I might just leave you here. But if I do record, if it's dead, then share a few clips. But yeah, we to get into this back and try session. I'm so tired. I'm not even gonna do a core today. I'll do a core tomorrow. I ain't doing core by myself. So yeah, we can suffer together, man. Then yeah, let's get into this gym session. I even go and lie, that gym session was brutal. My shoulder on this side is killing me. I started it with like some dips and I'm in agony, so I just pushed through, did like 4 back movements, 4 tricep movements, but I'm feeling weak. You know, like before my holiday, I was banging gym consistently for like 4 months straight. I was in my prime physique. Now I'm starting to like wither down, bro. Like, we're getting skinny as fuck now. Already was, but still. But yeah, see now, can't lie. I'm gonna go get a meal deal, eat, and then I can't lie, I'm taking a nap. I'm so tired. I was sweating like a dog in there. Like, I sat down, wet ass sweat mark. Like, what are we doing? So yeah, it's only 11:30 right now, so the day's actually flying. I was in there for about like 45 minutes, not gonna lie. Giving me a bothered rest. I just wanted to get it over and done with, but you know, at least I did the gym so I can move on, continue, and get on with my day. Right, so I went and got food at Morrison's before I go home. Got Lion cereal, which I'm not really a fan of cereal, but I can't be arsed cooking this morning. Got a wee sandwich and a cake. So hopefully I should fuel me up. Realistically, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna eat that cereal and then go to sleep for like an hour or two, wake up, and then try to edit the video. After I edit, probably chill out for a bit. I've got a lot on to do, and it's quite embarrassing out in there, not gonna lie. Bro, tell me why, right? Moneybox took £200 in my card with no notification, and then I go pay, card declined. I said 9 games. I'm in Morrison's and there's no reception, so I couldn't even transfer money in my card. I had to walk out the shop, transfer it, come back in like a donut. How the mighty have fallen, man. How the mighty have fallen. But yeah, let's get home, cook, make cereal, eat, sleep. Gonna be honest, that's me home now. I'm showering, making a bowl of cereal, and I'm going to bed for like 2 hours. I'm actually exhausted. I know I didn't do much, but I slept really late. This whole like last few days I've been getting up like 3 p.m. So me sleeping late and then getting up at 7:30 today. So having a toll on me, and then that gym session as well, cherry on top. So yeah, I think I'll have cereal for now, and I'm gonna wake up, have that meal deal, and then go out for a walk, and then come home, have my high protein dinner, which is just minced rice. And yeah, I'll catch you man in a bit. I'll get back to you about like 2 p.m. Right, it's now about 4 p.m. Looking at for 2 hours, but I was knackered, so yeah, hopefully I sleep early tonight again still. I'm gonna try to get to bed tonight around 11. So now I've woke up, I'm gonna go eat. Just gonna have like a sandwich or something, and just try to get some calories in. I'll probably show the food when I bring upstairs, but I'm gonna just focus on getting a lot of calories in right now because I didn't eat much this morning and half the day's gone. So yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat after I've ate. Main focus now is going to be to trade, no, not to trade, to edit, and then read my Bible, and then that'll be my day done. I'm going to edit for around 2 hours today, try to get this all done. I'm going to edit the video I made today, and then get some clips, and then read my Bible, and then probably just chill out on Rocket League, and then, yeah, eat my dinner, and that's the day done. Today went perfectly. Everything that I analysed during the markets was great. I'm going to choose another clip after of me showing you guys my targets that all got hit. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to get something to eat and then chill out for a little bit, and then we'll get on to some more work. I'm not even gonna lie, I went to go hang up my second round of washing, and it is like 1,000 degrees out there, so I don't even know if I'm gonna go for a walk anytime soon.
absolutely knackered, chat. But the food's gonna be Oasis, sandwich, and glycogen replenish. And then I'm gonna have dinner proper later. And then a lot of other snacks in between, but when I watch something while I eat, and then just try and make a start on editing the video. And hopefully it's long enough, like a 10-15 minute video, and then I try to listen like every second day, every third day, but depends how hard I find it. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick update regarding the trade and everything that I marked out earlier on this morning, and I'll show you in like 2 seconds. Let me just connect to my laptop. Right, so remember today, this morning, when I targeted, I targeted this. So obviously I got my piece of the cake. I'm not gonna sit there and try to be greedy and ask for more because I do for a FIT 22. And psychologically as well, if we've came all the way down and watching that retrace into some drawdown of like minus 300 before rallying all the way down, that would have been a bit more stressful for me to watch, but all my levels did get hit. So if I show you here, when I marked out these previous days on Friday, so let me go full size screen there. On Friday we marked at the high, and we made equal highs, and we marked at the low, which we ended up sweeping. So if I scale back down to the 5 right now, you'll obviously see that my trade analysis was pretty much perfect today, because I waited for this range, we swept this range, and then as we hit this range, we came up to this range again. At this range, what did I do? I waited for my confirmation to enter. I got my confirmation here. After I've entered, I obviously would have rallied probably down to last London lows. If not London lows, I'm looking at Asia's lows right here. And then if not Asia's low, I'd also be looking for previous day lows, which would have been around pretty much 1.7. So obviously that's not the main targets I already marked out this morning, but also I didn't hold for that long because that doesn't happen every day. But recently on GBPUSD, that's been happening a lot. So that's something I'm going to incorporate in my plan, to maybe take partial at 1 to 2 and let the rest run. But overall, I'm pretty happy. I'm happy that all the levels I marked out got hit. Right, so it's time to stop putting this off now. I'm going to start editing this video now. It's around 10 to 5. So I'm going to edit this video and then get back to you. I'm going to try to do like an hour and a half on it. See if I can manage, new to this. So I'm going to just edit this and hopefully get the rest of the clips in tonight, and then finish editing tomorrow, and then try post it tomorrow midday. That's going to be the plan, or Wednesday if not. But yeah, so far it's been a good day. I've done what I need to do. I'm happy. Only thing left realistically is eat my dinner, go on a walk, and then chill out, and then continue working on this video. Today's kind of took it out of me, not gonna lie, but that's what hard work is, being successful. I know it doesn't seem like I've done a lot, but trading mentally, not gonna lie, can be hard. I mean, it is hard, but yeah, overall happy. I'm gonna edit this video, get it out for you. Hopefully it's decent for me to even post it, because like it's took all day. Like the amount of takes with the camera, me trying to record, speaking to a camera that's not even recording, has been getting a bit annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna do all that and then see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna put the camera back up. Right, so I managed to get the video edited. I've edited all the clips up here, as you can see, but that's me almost done. It didn't even take me that long, it took me like 25 minutes to edit. I'm gonna add some little touch-ups, of course, but that's me pretty much done for the day. I don't want to keep adding random clips. We're gonna bore you, because the realistic thing left to do for me today is to just read my Bible. After I read my Bible, I'm gonna eat my dinner, go on a walk, come back around 8, half 8, go chill out on the game for a bit and relax, and then yeah, go again tomorrow. I'll hopefully try to get this done and upload it for you guys tomorrow, which is going to be my aim, and then I hope you guys enjoy. But hopefully it doesn't bore you too much, because there's a lot of yap in this video, but just giving you in-depth view of what I do in my day-to-day. That's me done for the day. I'm not going to keep adding more clips. I'm going to stop, and I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, thank you guys.